Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Farhan Tahir. I'm a rheumatologist. Today I'm going to discuss with you about impact of fibromyalgia on patients with rheumatoid arthritis and their functional status. A study out of Boston found out that patients who had rheumatoid arthritis and fibromyalgia at the same time tend to do poorly when it comes to their functional status. We know that rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease that causes inflammation in the joints and can lead to deformities. On the other hand, fibromyalgia is a central pain disorder. Patients tend to be hypersensitive to pain and they tend to have higher levels of fatigue that leads to poor functional status. Now, if you combine these population of patients, you would have even worse outcomes. These patients have about 14% greater 2-year increase in their disease activity scores. These patients who had rheumatoid arthritis, they were about 17% of patients who had fibromyalgia, and their over 2-year period, there's significant decline in their functional status. The study pointed out that these patients would tend to do 4 to 7-fold worse when it comes to their disease activity when you're just looking at a patient who have only rheumatoid arthritis and doesn't have fibromyalgia as an overlap syndrome. This study found out that these patients not only have higher disease activity scores, they also tend to consume a lot more medical resources and have higher medical costs. These patients also have worse quality of life and functional status. So it is important that these patients should be identified in a timely manner, because when you treat central pain and the peripheral pain of rheumatoid arthritis at the same time, you'll have better results, better satisfaction of patients, as well as improved functional status. So if you or your loved one has rheumatoid arthritis and tend to be hypersensitive to pain, or they have fatigue that doesn't go away, or their current medication is not helping their condition, please bring it to their doctor's attention to look for fibromyalgia at the same time. I hope you'll find this useful. I wish you best of luck for your health and wellness. Thank you.